everything's so unexpected the way you write and live.
Hello guys, today we'll see different web browser extensions where you can earn money just by browsing the net. Okay, so let's start from the first. Those of you who use Windows operating system, you can actually get rewards by using Microsoft browser. The rewards include Microsoft Office, Outlook rewards, and Amazon card, Starbucks, and Skype. And the browser is pretty fast because no one uses it. And as you think, this is not so. The layouts are pretty good. The next one is Brave. And remember, I'm not keeping it in order. Each browser has different advantage. Brave is a new browser. It's 6 times faster. This is the creator.
In time, all the ads and trackers are blocked, so you can consistently see how Brave is optimizing the browser experience. So, you want to load content, sites, and games faster, pay less for...
Like that, there are many advantages. The main thing is the content. Whatever the content you see on this browser, you're going to get the rewards because the content creator gets his commission, and you also get for seeing because you supporting the content creators. This is one of the good one. Actually, I researched many browsers, but full dive web browser is best for phones because it actually has many apps to access from full dive web browser. And it's all it's like it's given like personal all in one browser, easy way to access all in one, right? You get $1 for signing up. Now Qme is for people who do online shopping. Okay, and Qme actually displays a sidebar when you go through Amazon. The best deal for what you're searching. So it's a good one for everyone who do online shopping, and nowadays everyone is doing it. So this is one Qme. You can get links all in the description. But the best browser I recommend for anyone, all my family, friends, even I use the extension called Swagbucks. The main reason I use Swagbucks is that you really no need to see the extension or working, just like this green color coming, but just by browsing you get some SB points where you can convert them into any other cards. And another one is that just for referring someone you get 10% for life, just for referring. I am doing it to you, you do it to anyone. Eventually everyone has to use some extension because we are going to stay more online, so obviously there are going to be many filters. Everyone should install some extension, and it's the best extension I can find right now for free. Another advantage is you do there are some things that you do online anyway, they are compulsory. If you do them in this through this platform, you get some points. For example, Canva. At some point, if you're a graphic designer, you buy Canva. Not only that, uh, many Apple Music, yes, you might listen Apple Music. And Woot is a web series, WandaVision. These all are some things you do anyway. If you do this too through Swagbucks, it's rewarding. And also, as I said, you really no need to use it anyway. You can just refer a friend. I'm doing it to you, you do it to another one. Actually, I'm using it, but it's okay if you do not want to use it. Well, this is for today. Thank you for keeping up with me until the last. Please subscribe if you want to know everyday recommendations. Thank you.